What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're doing something totally different from what we're doing normally. We're going to vlog. This video is going to be a vlogging video. We're not really going to edit it, so hopefully not too much bloopers. What we're doing today is Boerewors, aka beef sausage. We're going to do it, we've got a fire here in the background. We just started about 10 minutes ago, and what we're going to do, I want to show you guys that we can put this beautiful Boerewors we have here on the fire. We're only going to turn it once, and that there'll be no blistering or very little. A lot of guys are very worried when they do Boerewors that on direct heat that it's going to be a problem, and I want to share what we do sometimes. When you take the steak off the fire and you let it rest, then it's time to put on your wors. So let's get the show on the road. It's going to be real time. Check the clock at the bottom. We're gonna not stop this video, we're just gonna have fun, and we're gonna do this. Let's do this. So basically what we're gonna do 2.5 minutes aside with our Boerewors. We've got 700 grams here of real Boerewors from my local butchery. So we're gonna use some spray and cook. We've got a braai clamp here, some call it that. We're just gonna make sure we've got this all over. Then it's time for our Boerewors. There you go. I hope this video works for you guys. It's really vlogging. We're not stopping this tape. Alright, so let's do that. I'm just going to turn this Boerewors, aka beef sausage, for you guys that's not sure what it is. I also have a video which I'll leave towards the end for you guys to go check out. There you go, in the braai clamp. We're going to make sure it's nice and snug. And then let's go over to the fire. All right, so we've got a nice strong fire here today. It's nice and hot. So let's get this bad boy on there. You can already hear the sizzling sounds. So Co, can you start the clock for us? I think she has already. There you go. It's going to be 2.5 minutes aside, guys. It's going to move it over to the middle of the fire, and that's where we're going to leave it. In about 2.5 minutes, we're going to turn it over, and it should give us a nice pinkish color inside, and that's the way we like it. If you like to have it a little bit more cooked, give it 40 seconds or so aside. Now we need to get our rolls ready because we're going to toast them. Let's move over to the table. I've got some rolls here. We're going to butter them quickly. They're nice and fresh, as you guys can see. Have a look there. Fantastic. So we're just going to do basic Boerewors rolls today. No onions, this is just a quick one. Just some Boerewors rolls, nice and plain. They're already spiced. These rolls are going to just add with the nice and crunchiness that we're working on now. So we're just going to open like that. This is real butter for the guys that's not sure. It's in a buttero tin or container, but that's our real butter. We like to store it like that. There you go. Lots of butter on there. And then guys, this is quite easy. We're just going to put it on the fire, straightforward. Check it every 2 to 3 seconds, maybe a little bit longer sometimes. Just like that. Move this guy over, you can hear the sizzling sounds. Yeah, I'm just going to do another one. So while we let that Boerewors cook away, you can already hear there's some flame up. And if there's a flame up, don't stress about it. It's all good. Promise you it's not going to blister at all. Right, let's butter this guy as well. Then while it's cooking away, let me tell you guys about some things that we've done lately. We started looking at spices, and we'd really like you guys to go check it out. It'll take about 3 weeks. We're also busy with a website, and the website is still in construction, but should be ready in about 2 to 3 weeks. And we needed a platform to sell the spices and to bring you great spices. A lot of you, 2 minutes 30 seconds, guys. Let's turn it over. Have a look. There you go. You can see what it looks like. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to put it over there. Fantastic. Right, we're going to leave it another 2 minutes 30 seconds. So as I was saying, we need a platform to bring you guys proper spices that you like. A lot of you guys have also given us some input, and we've listened to that. So do have a look at that. In the near future, it'll be out in our community tab. We will share all the details with you guys. Then another thing that we do have is a membership. And guys, please go check it out. We are really trying to bring you good content and keep on with this. And the only way for us to keep on doing this is to use some bucks and buy whatever we need to do, and we will really appreciate you guys' help. In any case, if I haven't mentioned that yet, there's a button down there, subscribe, like. If you do like this video, that will also help us so much. So please go over, have a look at that. Right, I think, let's just have a look at these guys. That's perfect, nice and crispy. Let's move these guys over, let's have a look. They still have to go. Just gonna put them over there. Right, that's beautiful. You can see there's some flame ups there. Like I said, it's not an issue at all. You're gonna get flame ups, but we're not gonna get blistering. Nothing can happen to that Boerewors there. It can only cook away and get beautiful. You wanna have a look, Co? Nice close up. This is also starting to crisp nicely. Look at those flames, it's not a problem at all.
minutes 30 seconds.
4 minutes 30 seconds, guys. So another 30 seconds. You might see that it's a little bit red inside there. It's not a problem. We like our Boerewors nice and pink in the middle, so it's not an issue at all. Right, let's look at these guys. Fantastic. These rolls are really going to be beautiful. You can really hear this wors. It's really coming together.
5 minutes.
5 minutes, so it's time to take it off. Right, let's do this. There you go. As you guys can see, that looks fantastic. Right, straight onto the plate. It is a little bit warm. Now, ideally you want to rest this for a little bit, but if you don't have the time, or you're like us, you're vlogging at the moment, it's not a problem. You can go straight to the plate. There you go. Fantastic. Nice and hot. Guys, that moment. It's time to dig in. So, the best way to taste this Boerewors is obviously straight, just like that, plain. But we're going to do some rolls. So, let's add just basic, some tomato sauce. Just going to do this, traditional Boerewors rolls. We're going to make a few today, but we can start with 2. And then some mustard, just to have that traditional taste and feel. There you go. Right, time to cut this Boerewors. Let's do there. Guys, have a look at that. I wonder if you can see that. You see, nice and pink in the middle. That's fully cooked. This is perfect for us. I'm going to cut a small piece here just to taste, as you guys can see there. Yeah, how's that? Cheers, boys and girls. Wow, this is really full of coriander, full of flavor. And guys, you don't want to kill it. You don't want to take your wors to that next level where it's just overcooked. This is beautiful. It's really perfect. So let's try our Boerewors. Have a look there. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Let's take a bite. Cheers. Wow. That right there, guys. That's what it's about. 5 minutes on the fire. Did you guys see that? Can you believe that? 5 minutes on the fire, 2.5 minutes aside. Guys, that fire it was only made for this wors. So it was piping hot. You won't blister your wors. Obviously it needs to be a decent wors. With that said, go try it out. Let me know what you guys think. And you know what, comment below if there's anything else you'd like us to do, to try. Let's interact. We love all your comments. Guys, as always, you know the story. If you like what we're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do this without you. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, you want a bite? There you go. I want to make another one. Fantastic.